Hello world, Christian Truther here, and I've got another video for you today in my Tidbits series. This is part 10, where I try and cover a flat earth argument in about 2 minutes. We're continuing on with a video that purports to give 200 reasons the world is not a spinning ball. And as always, I'll be linking any mathematical equations or evidence into the description below. These are my rules, and today's argument says that between London and Liverpool there is a straight railroad. It goes 180 miles. Birmingham's in the middle. Birmingham is officially registered as 200 feet above sea level. But due to Earth curvature, they say, with the 8 inches squared, you would have a rise in the middle of the arc at 5,400 feet. Now, what's interesting to me is not the actual argument. It's the same argument they've been making since the fourth point, and I've got a video on that. Go check it out, and several since then. Really, in summary, it's a straw man fallacy because no one on the round Earth model is saying that curvature creates altitude. To the contrary, they say altitude is based off of distance from the center of the Earth, that sea level is a certain distance from the center of the Earth, and then distance above that, feet above that, would be altitude from sea level, but it's all based on the center of the Earth. No, that's not what's interesting to me. What's interesting to me is how they use the numbers. They use them in an intellectually dishonest way, because you cannot get a 5,400 foot bulge in the middle using the 8 inches squared per mile rule that they talk about themselves. So let me demonstrate this. If you take 180 miles, well, 8 inches per that squared, so 180 times 180, that's over 32,000. Multiply times 8 for the number of inches per the mile that we've got here. Then divide by 12 to get it into feet, and divide by 5,280 to get it into miles, and you'll get a drop of over 4 miles. But they said 5,400 feet, which is just over a mile. Well, they used the correct calculation for calculating a bulge, but they don't reveal that in this. They don't mention it at all that they're calculating bulge, which I'll put the description below, but that comes out to 1.02 miles, or about 5,400 feet. So they know what the correct calculation is, but they've been ignoring it and not referencing it here because they're being intellectually dishonest. They know that they're being intellectually dishonest on some of their points, and yet they continue to do so. This is a sign of someone who knows the truth and is trying to hide it. And so I'm here to let the truth be known today. The truth is the world is round. Let that truth set you free. This is Christian Truther, signing out.